Okay, this is going to be a quick video of my attempting to repair the oiler on the side of this Singer. This is a off-the-arm Singer 231-7. It's a dual needle chain stitch sewing machine. Over here by the hand wheel there's an oiler that gets screwed in here. This is it right here. Sun's really bright here today, but this just screws right in and it's supposed to send oil into this shaft to oil the inside of there. Okay, let me get you back over here. So what this is this is the main part. This is the cover. And there was a plastic window here, 70 years old, so it deteriorated. So I took this out to my buffing wheel, cleaned it all up, because when this new window goes in, the seal is going to have to be created right against this piece of metal here. And then what they do is they have a hole in the top for you to put your oil in once this is all put back together. And then obviously there's a screw with a gasket that will go in that. Once you fill it up, you put that in. Well, I tried to do it with a soft drink bottle, thinking, okay, thin clear plastic, way too thin, so that was a failure. So I took that back apart, cleaned it, and came up with the idea to go to the hardware store and get this clear, it's 1.25 inch outside diameter clear tube, UPC it says. And the thing I did with that was just cut a piece of the tube off, split it, and then take a heat gun, heat it up, and get it as flat as I could, which wasn't that bad. It took a few minutes. And this is much more pliable. It's not hard plastic, it's more soft like a gasket would be. And so I trimmed it up, and let me get the camera back in the other hand. Trimmed it up, marked where the holes are for the screws to go through, and then I'm going to just put this back together. And with this being more pliable, it should make a lot better compression fitting here. The problem is, if you don't have a good seal here, the centrifugal force of the spinning on the hand wheel makes the oil migrate out under this edge, and then it's shooting all over your wall and you and everything else. So alright, that's the way it's going to be done, and if it works, I'll make an update video. Okay, I've got the oiler put back together. I got my new piece of, it's not plastic, rubberized material in there. I'm pretty confident it won't leak now. It's much thicker plastic, and just have to put it back on the machine and fill it up with oil. According to the book, it says you screw this on, fill it almost full above the center point of the window. And always use sewing machine oil because it doesn't tarnish. I can't hardly see what I'm doing here between the sunshine and the holding the camera, but maybe you can see the oil filling that up. And then I'm just going to go high enough so I know oil is going into the machine, and until I run it for a few minutes to make sure I don't have any leaks. Alright, that should be enough. Alright, the next video you'll see will be the machine running. Thanks for watching.